Hello you guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. I picked up some good stuff. Went to Kroger and Trader Joe's. We got a juicer, so you will see a lot of juicing sort of things. And then I'll let you know what kind of meals I have planned for this week with some of the stuff. So let's jump into it, starting with protein. I stocked up on our chicken sausages. These are the garlic herb, and then I grabbed a smoked andouille. I like these because they have 17 to 20 grams of protein per link, which is madness. And then also I grabbed the spicy Italian. Arlo likes the garlic herb, so I grabbed more of those. These are just easy to throw in with pasta, to eat. I don't know, they're just easy and quick. They defrost super quick. So I also grabbed 2 things of Sriracha Tofu. I love this stuff. I love adding it to rice, doing like kind of like veggie bowl sort of things with it. I don't know, just had it the other week and wanted more of it. Have been loving this. This is the maple chicken breakfast sausage. I've picked this up a couple times now. It's just really good way to get some extra protein in the morning. Some eggs also for breakfast. I grabbed this. I wasn't necessarily planning to. Normally I get the full, not the tenderloin, but the loin. But this tenderloin was on sale for, I don't even know. It was normally $11 and I got it for $4.78. So I was like, heck yeah, that's a good deal. Grabbed another one of these. I keep one of these on hand at all times. This is the shawarma chicken thighs from Trader Joe's. Best cut of meat they have. I swear it's so good. We just throw this on the smoker. It's really hard to overcook chicken thighs, so if you overcook chicken breasts, try these thighs. I swear you will love them. They're pretty spicy. We had them with some grilled zucchini and rice last night. It's just like a quick and easy meal. It pretty much gives us about, I would say, 3 meals out of it. So it's not the cheapest, but it's really a good cut, and flavor is amazing. I grabbed some bone-in, skin-in chicken thigh, or skin-on chicken thighs. We love these in the air fryer. We just haven't had them in a while. I'm probably gonna chunk them into like packs of 3 and freeze them. Same thing with this chicken breast. I grabbed a big thing of those. We just don't have any. I think we have 1 pack of chicken like in the freezer. I grabbed some ground chicken. I like the chicken for like my meatballs and stuff, and then the ground turkey for just like lean whenever I just want like a quick protein, again, defrost super quick. That is all for protein. Let's move on to some veggies. I grabbed a head of cauliflower so we could do some cauliflower puree and whatnot, some green beans, some baby carrots, some zucchini. I grabbed a cucumber like this, like an English cucumber, and then I grabbed a bunch of these like basic cucumbers. I don't even know what they're called, for juicing. 3 things of celery for juicing. I will link our juicer that we have down below. I haven't tried it yet, but it has really great reviews on Amazon, which is why I got it. I got 4 shallots. I've been liking using shallots instead of onion. They have like a sweet, garlicky sort of flavor, oniony, garlicky flavor when you cook them down right. I have peppers, turmeric for juicing, and ginger for juicing, but it's also, I'm making a half-baked harvest recipe. Again, I talk about her all the time. She makes some of my favorite recipes. I'm doing like a pineapple like chicken with coconut milk rice, so I'm excited for that. Jalapeno as well for that recipe, some cilantro for that recipe. I grabbed some baby broccolini, and then a bunch of this, like, I believe this is rainbow kale. No, what kind of kale is this? It doesn't say. This is kale, but I wanted to get this like leafy dark kale for my juices, so I'm probably gonna make some juice later today. I grabbed a giant bag of lemons, again, for juicing, and a ginormous bag of apples for juicing. I grabbed just some pineapples in this juice. I could not find pineapple juice anywhere, and I only needed a 1/3 cup for the recipe tonight, so I just grabbed this one, and I figure Arlo can eat the little chunks out of it. But I also grabbed fresh pineapple for, I thought that was mold, but it's not, for a pineapple salsa that I'm making for tonight's dinner, and then some blackberries for Arlo. I grabbed some bananas. We use these for smoothies, and Arlo likes them plain as well. I think that's all for fresh. Let's move on to dairy. Got some milk for Arla Man. I grabbed 3 of these yogurts. I haven't had these in a while, but they're just like a quick, easy way to get in protein. So this is a strawberry. They have 15 grams of protein. I grabbed the strawberry banana cream, which is my absolute favorite. Peach. These are the Oikos 000. I can only find them at Kroger. I have been really liking getting this for Arlo as well. I can only get it at Kroger. It's a probiotic yogurt. I'm pretty sure all yogurt has probiotics, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Basically, it's whole milk and it's strawberry and it's like low on the sugar in terms of sugar. So this is the Stony organic yogurt for Arlo. I put them in his like reusable pouches and he loves them. And I grabbed some more cheese sticks. Both me and Arlo eat those. I haven't had one of these in a while. These are the Bolthouse Farms, yogurt dressings. This is the cucumber ranch, so I decided to try that this week. Oh, one of y'all asked me in the comments to try this out because you were curious to know what my opinion is. So I picked it up this week and it's the vegan Taziki Dip. I love their regular Taziki, so I'm excited to try this guy out. So we'll see. I don't know. I think it's a dip and not just like traditional Taziki, because it doesn't look as runny as traditional Taziki. I don't know about that. We'll try it and see. I'll let you know. I grabbed some coconut. I think they can't legally call it milk. I don't know. It's called beverage for my recipe tonight. I made coconut. I used coconut cream instead of coconut milk, which was the worst like mistake you could do. It really ruined the rice, but I'm gonna try that this week and hopefully it works. I got some more multigrain sourdough bread. It's one of my favorites for breakfast. I grabbed some spray oil. I like just using this for the air fryer. It's pretty much the only time I really use it. Besides that, I just use regular. Some pantry items. I grabbed some white northern beans, some Cuban style black beans, garbanzo beans, pinto beans, and last but not least, some kidney beans. I like just having beans on stock in our pantry, and I noticed that we were getting a little bit low. I grabbed this. I've never tried this before. It's their buttermilk protein pancake mix, but you can also make waffles in it. And we got waffle makers for Christmas. We actually got 2. But we got one specifically that has little dinosaur shapes on it for Arlo. I'll leave a picture right here and I'll link it down below. It's the cutest thing ever. His grandma and grandpa got that for him, so I'm excited to make him some waffles this weekend. Not necessarily did I think of the protein for him, but more for me, but it doesn't matter. He can get it where he can get it. I grabbed some ghost pepper potato chips. No reason, just wanted them. They sounded good. I haven't had potato chips in a while. And then I grabbed some pita chips as well. I have hummus in the fridge, like a Chipotle style hummus, so I figured I would eat that, finish that up with that. And then they had my seaweed again in stock, so I stacked up, but they didn't have my favorite, but I grabbed this anyways. This is the organic roasted seaweed, and then the teriyaki. The teriyaki is growing on me. I'm starting to really like it, so grab that. Oh, I also have 2 things of yogurt. Scott already broke into one. There's another one I didn't see over here. I grabbed a bunch of different coffee. This is the new one from Trader Joe's. This is the medium roast with notes of milk, chocolate, sweet oranges, and raisins. I'm not even gonna try to say the name of it, but how pretty is that packaging, right? I'm obsessed with their things. Their coffee, small coffees. I got the pea berry again, the Mexico pea berry, and then the Papua New Guinea, whatever. These are whole beans. We have the attachment for the Vitamix to grind our own whole beans. If you have not gotten that and you have one, try it out. I swear it can like grind a whole bag of beans in like 10 seconds or so. Isn't that it's awesome? I grabbed some Christmas Ziploc bags because they were on major sale. They were like $1 something. And I don't care because I just like store things in them. I don't go through a ton of bags, but I like them for like bananas, and I don't know, I just like to have them. So I grabbed the freezer gallon size bags, another freezer gallon size bag, and then these are just the quart storage. They have Christmassy stuff on them, but like I said, I do not care. It does not matter to me. All right, what else? Oh, I grabbed another thing of brown rice because I made our entire bag last week and froze it in individual bags, so I wanted another one on hand in case we wanted fresh rice or next time I make it. How freaking adorable is this little plant? I fell in love with it. I'm gonna put it on our coffee table. I'm hoping it will live because it doesn't really get a ton of sunlight over there. I don't know what kind of plant this is or what it needs, but I thought it was cute. And if it doesn't, I can put a little succulent on top of his head. It was just adorable. I don't even know how much it was, but it was cute. Probably like $6. Okay, moving along, freezer stuff, and then we're done. I don't think we've ever tried these. These are pork and ginger soup dumplings. Pretty excited about this. Honestly, there's probably not many in the 6 dumplings. Figured we could make those. I grabbed these again for Arlo. I don't know, I just forgot to grab some when I was at Kroger, so I picked up those. They're chicken drumlets, whatever. I don't prefer them, but they're okay. I grabbed some frozen mixed berries for Scott and smoothies. I've been loving these little breakfast sandwiches for something super quick. These have 16 grams protein. They're just basically 2 egg patties with cheese and a turkey sausage in the middle. Not like I'm trying to watch out for bread. It just, they have these and they're good and they're high in protein and I love them. I grabbed these. I have not had these in like a hot minute. Back when I ate more plant-based, I would eat these all the time. They are the mildly spiced organic vegetable burritos. Black beans, corns, and tomatoes. So good with some enchilada sauce poured over the top of it and a piece of vegan cheese or regular cheese, whatever. They are completely vegan and I'm obsessed with them. Another vegan thing that I used to absolutely love as well is the black bean and corn enchiladas. Thought these would just be a quick, easy, like lunch option. It's not super high in like protein or anything, but they're just really good. They are in a little freezer like container and you just pop them in the oven for a quick and easy meal. So that is everything that I recently picked up, or that I just picked up from the grocery store. I'm gonna put it all away. Let me know if you like seeing these videos by giving this video a big thumbs up. And my thought is maybe next time kind of breaking down my grocery list for you guys and sharing with you guys what I'm planning to pick up. And I want to do better about planning meals ahead. I used to get really into that, and I want to get better about doing that. I think it will save me a ton of time in terms of like, what am I gonna make and just planning things out. I kind of steered away from that when I moved in with Scott, because Scott likes to just like pick random things and I'm like, that was for my recipe. So nonetheless, I think I might do a better job this next year of like really breaking down and kind of coming up with concrete meal ideas for the week. So let me know if you want to see videos like that, how I plan out my grocery list, how I plan out my meals for the week, in the comments down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.